Now let's talk about the obsession. Well, I certainly am not obsessed with you. But if you have to hire multiple tarot readers to defeat me with your power game and obsessively create fabricated narratives about me 24 fucking 7 non-stop, that's the obsession. And the doubling down of this narrative is the desperation to stay afloat with your lies. Now, if you're saying that you're not even acknowledging me, like what Joker said about LOL, he said, LOL, who still believes this bullshit? You're not even acknowledging them. Well, I'm so sure that I'm not going to die not being acknowledged by you. I don't even know you. I don't live for your acknowledgement and anyone's validation because if I do, I'm probably dead by now. Now, there's one tarot reader out there. This person is so enraged, she said, that you don't even give a time, that is secretly obsessed with someone, and with this person, in this person's head, this person has a secret beef with another person. So imagine that this group of narcissists are intentionally fabricating stories of triangulation non-stop because that's the abuse, right? Narcissism. Then you speak out about the situation, but of course every reaction will be used against you because it's narcissism. Now they're trying to make it seem like you're the one who's obsessed and is in competition with someone. Fuck no. You are obsessively trying to destroy me.